one problem, mathematics 2b, fifth chapter, hyperbola, exercise 5a, third bit, second problem. Show that the locus of the pit of the perpendicular drawn from foci to any tangent to the hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is the auxiliary circle of the hyperbola. Show that the pit of the perpendicular drawn from foci to any tangent to the hyperbola is the auxiliary circle. Here equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here this is the diagram of the hyperbola. This is the diagram of the hyperbola. This is the foci S AE comma 0. This is the foci S dash minus AE comma 0. This is the any one of the tangent. This is the tangent. Here show that the put of the perpendicular drawn from foci to any tangent to the hyperbola. This is the P is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from foci to any tangent to the hyperbola. So here the locus of P is auxiliary circle. The locus of P is auxiliary circle. So first of all here find the equation of the tangent having slope m. Here m is the slope of the tangent. M is the slope of the tangent. Let here px1 comma y1 be any point on the locus. Here equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to the hyperbola. To the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 having slope m is y is equal to mx plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Here the line is passing through the point px1 y1. So px1 comma y1 be a point lies on the line. So substitute y equal to y1, x equal to x1, y1 equal to mx1 plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Taking mx1 left side, y1 minus mx1 equal to plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Again find the equation of the SP or S dash P. SP or S dash P. SP or S dash P. Here M is the slope of the tangent. Here SP is perpendicular to tangent. So the slope of the SP or S dash P is equal to minus 1 by m. The slope of the SP or S dash P is minus 1 by m. The slope of the SP or S dash P is minus 1 by m. Here two lines are passing through the points S dash equal to plus or minus e comma 0 having slope m is equal to minus 1 by m. Here equation of SP or S dash P is two lines are passing to the point x1, y1 and having slope minus 1 by m. Point slope form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, y1 is equal to 0. M means here m is equal to minus 1 by m, x minus x1. x1 equal to e comma 0 minus e comma 0. So plus or minus ae. Y is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus or minus ae. Taking m left side, my is equal to minus of x plus or minus ae. My equal to minus x plus or minus ae. Taking x left side, x plus my equal to plus or minus ae. This is the equation of SP or S dash P. Here two lines are, here PBA point lies on the line. So Px1 comma y1 BA point lies on the above line. Lies on the above line. So substitute x equal to x1, y equal to y1. x1 plus my1 is equal to plus or minus ae. Plus or minus ae. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of SP or S dash P. Here the point of intersection of the tangent and SP is the locus of P. So solve 2 and 3. So here write 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square 2. y1 minus mx1 whole square plus 3 square x1 plus my1 whole square is equal to plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square whole square plus or minus ae whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square. Y1 square b square. M square x1 square minus 2ab 2x1 y1 m. Again a plus b whole square a square x1 square b square m square y1 square plus 2ab 2x1 y1 m is equal to plus square plus minus square plus square root to cancel a square m square minus b square. Here plus or minus e whole square means a square e square. Here 2x1 y1 m 2x1 y1 m cancel. Common into in these two terms x1 square common, m square plus 1 into x1 square common into in these two terms y1 square common, m square plus 1 into y1 square equal to a square m square. Here b square is equal to write down a square into e square minus 1 plus e square e square. Again m square plus 1 common, x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square m square minus a square into e square, a square e square minus into minus plus a square plus a square e square minus a square e square plus a square e square cancel. M square plus 1 into x1 square plus y1 square common into two terms a square common, m square plus 1. Both side m square plus 1 get cancelled. x1 square plus y1 square equal to e square. This is the locus of P is x1 square plus y1 square equal to e square. This is the auxiliary circle. Therefore, the locus of Px1 comma y1 is x square plus y square is equal to e square. This is the auxiliary circle. The locus of the point of intersection of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from foci to any tangent of the hyperbola is auxiliary circle. This is the auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle. This is the answer. This is the most important problem.